Hello friends, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Assure Success. Today is a big day to grab such a golden opportunity which I am going to share you in this video. Friends, this video is going to be very helpful for you if you are looking for a BTD smart contract decentralized platform. Before I share the plan, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest information about every video which I will get uploaded to get notified very first without any delay. Today I will talk about Bitrise Solutions, which is completely decentralized system, a BTT smart contract running on Tron blockchain. Bitrise Solution is 100% decentralized, 100% automatic, 100% transparent, unhackable and uneditable once it gets launched. A scam-proof, unstoppable blockchain. Bitrise Solution is offering peer-to-peer payment, hence all the transactions will be very fast, instant and without any delay, with no more waiting for your approvals for withdrawals. So Bitrise Solution is going to be a complete solution for all of your financial needs. Company's website is www.bitrise.live and you can join the Bitrise Solution by just 1200 BTTs, and after placing your ID with 1200 BTTs, you will get first direct sponsor income. You will get 300 BTTs upon every direct placements, and you can place unlimited direct sponsors. Next is team level income. You will get 400 BTT being distributed from level 2 to level 6. At level 2, you will get 100 BTTs from every recruitments, and level 3 you will get 100 BTTs, at level 4 you will get 100 BTTs, level 5 50 BTTs, and level 6 50 BTTs. And next is entire pool income. Entire pool consists of 3x3 matrix and 2 levels only. And there are total 5 pools. All the pools are automatic and 100% auto upgradable. That means you don't need to get yourself upgraded manually. All the upgradations are automatic. In pool 1, you will be upgraded with 500 BTTs, and at level 1, the team of 3 persons will be placed get automatically globally, and your income will be 500 BTTs and 1000 BTTs will be get upgraded at level 2 automatically, and at level 2 total the team of 9 persons will be come which will get upgraded themselves with 1000 BTTs, and after the completion of pool 1 your income will be 9500 BTTs, and the same time and the pool 2 will be get upgraded with 4000 BTTs automatically, and after the completion of the second pool your total income will be 76,000 BTTs, and your third pool get upgraded with 16,000 BTTs, and after the completion of your third pool your total income will be 3,04,000 BTTs, and pool 4 will be get upgraded with 1,28,000 BTTs, and after the completion of pool 4 your total income will be 24,32,000 BTT. The fifth pool will be get upgraded with 10,24,000 BTTs automatically, and after the completion of the fifth pool your total income will be 1,94,56,000 BTTs. Friends, as I have told earlier, the transfers are instant. You don't need to make any withdrawal. No permission is required for your withdrawals. There is no waiting system for all your withdrawals. No delay, and no one can control and hold over your income because all the payment system is peer-to-peer system. Friends, when I talk about the total income of entire pool income, the total income will be 2,22,68,000 BTTs. If I am putting the 1 BTT is equal to 60 paisa, then there will be total 1,33 lakhs rupees. And if you want to join our WhatsApp and official Telegram group, the link have been given in the description box. You can make yourself get attached with our WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Friends, if you have any query, you are all free to ask any questions with our supporting system. Thanks.